know I came through. You know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. Nowadays I cannot lay low. I cannot lay low. Yeah, I cannot lay low. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through with the hot shit. Talk of the town, I'm the top it. This young is so fly like a cockpit. If I ain't the party, it's not lit. Stop all the talking, I'm popping. But to be honest, this shit is not shocking. I wanna be rich at the moment.
Oh man, guys, look who done showed up, man. I guess he smelled the paint in the air, so he gonna come over here and try to show me up, man. Y'all already know who it is, man. Shout your Instagram out.
It's TextFlex or Z33 Scotty _ Scotty. Just came out here to help my cutty out.
Yes,
see what we
sir.
can do today.
Yes, sir, man. Y'all see what we got going on, man. We're gonna do another coat of primer, and then we're gonna go ahead and put that black on there because I'm kind of stuck between what color I'm gonna do. We're gonna do a little tribute for my daughter, so I want to kind of keep something towards pink and purple type colors. So we might do like a little chameleon or something though. But when you open that trunk up, you'll see my daughter's face on there. So that's something we trying to do. But yeah, we're gonna throw this next coat on here, man. We'll turn y'all back on when we get it all glossy black, man. Yes, sir. Appreciate y'all rocking with us. Yeah. Oh man, y'all see what's going on right here, man. Alright, we're gonna try to have everything sprayed up before it get dark. But y'all see what we doing over here, man. You know, we got, hey, if we can do it ourselves, we gonna freaking do it. Some stuff you gotta take to the shop, man, but you know, it is what it is, but we're gonna do as much as we can by ourselves. Alright guys, so I changed my mind on the flat black. I'm gonna try putting some clear coat on this thing. The compressor's gonna be loud, so I'll probably get somebody to record and we'll just do a little B-roll of me shooting the clear. So y'all stay tuned, man. Let's get it, let's go.